Today I'm going to be talking to you about some basic strategies for teaching very elementary level multiplication. And one of the strategies I'm going to talk to you today about is called skip counting. And this is one of the first strategies that kids are being introduced to when they're learning how to multiply two numbers. So this is perfect both for small level multiplication as well as once you get up into higher level multiplication. And so the problem I am going to have us work on today is 3 times 6. So we're going to use this kind of in a number line sense. And I'm going to start by doing, I'm just going to draw a little dot here. And the dot represents the number 3. So if we wanted to make it more like a number line, we would draw the number line. So I'm going to count down here by 3s. So because we're multiplying by 3s, and then we're going to multiply 6 times. We're going to take 6 halves. So I'm just going to draw these numbers, 12, 15, 18. We don't know yet how high we're going to go. So I'm going to go up to 24. So what we're going to do here with the skip counting is we are going to make 6 hops. So we have to start with 3, and that kind of considers a first hop. So 1 hop to 6 is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we ended up on 18. So we took 6 hops from 3 to 18. So that means that 3 times 6 is 18. Students can certainly do this in their head or on their fingers. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. And that is totally fine. It's really similar to repeated addition, and so you might hear those words come out of your student's mouth, counting by 3s or counting by 4s, and that's a really helpful way for them to learn multiplication. Then our next set of strategies is the equal group strategy. So we're going to do a different problem here, 4 times 5. So I'm just going to separate this into 4 equal groups with 5 pieces in each group. So I'll just make 4 boxes, and then I'll put 5 pieces or 5 dots in each box. Now your student might be able to count by 1s or by 5s in here, so they may be able to say 5, 10, 15, 20. There's 20 pieces in here. Or he may only be able to count by 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and all the way up to 20. And you can do the equal groups with manipulative, so with little counters or money or any different kind of thing that you can touch and place in your hand. You can separate into different groups like that. So I hope these strategies help you understand another way to deconstruct math, and I really want to encourage you to utilize these skills when you're working primarily with a 3rd grader or with a 4th or 5th grader who has not grasped multiplication quite yet.